Hello and welcome to Knowledge is Fun 2020. In the last video, we had started with early childhood care and education. We tried to understand the topic with our own experiences and apply it in the present society. We did the significance, the meaning, and the perfect environment for infants and children less than 8 years of age. In this video, we'll deal with the significance again of early childhood care for preschool and also the scope and career related queries. So let's start. Early childhood care and education. This we did in the last video. We'll just have a quick revision that early childhood education is a branch of education theory that relates to teaching of children from birth up to age of 8 years, that is the third grade. It prepares for the primary schooling and it deals with an all-round development of the child, social, emotional, cognitive and the physical development. It tries to create a nurturing environment and shape the mind of the young learners, their attitudes and behaviors, make them ready to face the challenges of the coming times. It also deals with recreating or improving upon the pre existing social structure. It plays a very important role for the disadvantaged children who do not get a very conducive environment at home. So it works as a bridge between the disadvantaged and the advantaged children. Now, let's move over to the next slide. Now we'll start with substitute care, daycare and crèche. This is what we'll deal with. What do we mean by substitute care? Substitute care is any arrangement. It could be a formal or informal arrangement. It could be temporary or permanent. It could be for a few hours, a few days, or it could be permanent for a child who is living away from his or her parents. If a mother is employed, she has to go outside the house, the infant has to be taken care of by any substitute caregiver. If you remember, we said an infant or a very young child, he is dependent on adults for most of his needs. This substitute caregiver could be a family member or it could be somebody who is hired. It could be family member, neighbors, or you have to make an other arrangement where you have to give money for this care. The location of the arrangement, it could be the child's own home or it could be the home of a caregiver. बहुत सारे लोग किसी एक नैनी को रख लेते हैं जो कि उस बच्चे का ध्यान रखती है. She comes to the child's home and takes care. Or a child has to go to some institution like a crèche or a play school where he's taken care of. Now, all the daycares or the crèche, they are usually all day programs because the mother who's working, she needs to go out for the whole day. The teachers and helpers, they should be specially trained to take care of young children because they are taking the place of the caregiver, the mother. Safety, feeding, toilet habits, language development, social and emotional needs, learning, this all should be known to the person who is taking care of the child. So they need to be specially trained for this purpose. Now, we have two kinds of substitute cares which are institutionalized or which are availed by giving some money. The first is crèche or it could be a daycare. Most of the times they are used interchangeably like synonyms, but there is a little difference between the two. A crèche is more flexible and a daycare, it's more rigid. The crèche, the academics is not paid a great importance in a crèche. The main emphasis in a crèche is to take care of the infant. It is also an institutional care which is designed to take care of infants and young children when the home care is not available. It is more flexible than a daycare, whereas a daycare is also the care of children in preschool years and also infants. They are cared for in the absence of the primary caregiver at home. But here in the daycare, more emphasis is given on academics. Now, what do we actually mean by a preschool? And we'll also deal with the child-centered approach. Preschool, as it is clear from the name, pre and school, anything which is taught to a child or an institution where the child is sent before he goes to a formal school. So the teachers who have to deal with children above 3 years of age, they require different skill set than the teachers who are there in the daycare or a crèche. It is so because a preschool child is ready for for experiencing the environment beyond that of a family. We did earlier also that after the age of 3 years a child is ready to go and experience more than the family interactions. So he is ready for those interactions. Some preschools are for young children, which are called Montessori schools, and these schools are called Montessori schools after the name of well-known educationist, that is Maria Montessori, who laid the foundation of Montessori schools, where she talked about the child-centered approach. Playway and child-centered method makes learning enjoyable, and this is the whole objective of the playway and child-centric education, that the education should be more enjoyable and suited for the young child. Children learn very quickly when they are amongst the peers. You would have observed कि कई बार ऐसा होता है जो बहुत छोटे बच्चे होते हैं घर पे खाना नहीं खाते, वो घर पे परेशान करते हैं, and when they are amongst your friends you won't even realize how fast the kids are eating. They eat even those things which they refuse to eat when they are at home. So this is the environment that we want for the kids. Child-centered education, it inspires the students to explore what they are most curious about. The students are given freedom to decide what they actually want to do. They direct their own learning. So who is teaching the way in which the child is to be trained? It's the child himself. He shows his inclination, his attitude, and the curriculum is to be framed according to the needs of the child. And because he is directing the learning, the curiosity sticks with him for the whole life. The child's ideas, preferences, curiosities are all taken into account when framing the curriculum for the children. So, here the teacher is only a coach, and she mentors the students as per their own inclinations and their passions. It considers play as a type of work or a lesson. It believes that children play whenever they are playing, they are consistently learning. You see the children, even if they are playing Ludo or they are running or they are playing hide and seek, every time they are learning. They are learning leadership, they are learning how to follow the rules. So in this playway method, the children, when they play, they learn, and this is what is the objective, to make them learn as they play without any pressure. The children, they discover how to plan, they are free to ask questions, they are free to experiment. Montessori school is also a child directed school. That is why they are named as Montessori schools. And you'll be glad to know that even the government of India, it offers primary schools through Anganwadi that operates under its scheme of ICDS, Integrated Child Development Scheme. This ICDS, this is very important, and we have been doing it continuously. Even in nutrition we did it, and again we are dealing with ICDS, or Integrated Child Development Scheme. So this is the government run scheme where Anganwadis are provided so that the children, young children, they are given a chance to learn and play. Now let's understand the significance of play school and the child-centered approach. Preschool is an important factor assisting the child's growth and development outside the home. The first school is always the home, but after the chances or the exposure given in the school, at home, the child needs to move out and have greater exposure to newer people and ideas. The brain connections multiply exponentially in the first 3 years. अगर आपने टीवी पे एक ऐड भी देखा, उसमें भी आता है कि 5 साल तक 90% ब्रेन बच्चे का डेवलप हो जाता है. And the potential for ensuring optimal development is very high up to the age of 8. So we have to take care of the child up until the age of 8, because the brain develops very fast. If we do not give attention to the child, then the growth and development, the mental development of the child can never match some other child who has been given an opportunity. So large proportion of brain development takes place after birth as a result of interaction with the environment. So after heredity, after the birth, in the first few years, the interactions with the environment, they play a very important role, and the greater the experiences given by the to the child, the greater the influence, it will have a greater influence on the development. The children who live in difficult circumstances, who are not given enough opportunities at home, they need additional support for learning so that they can compensate for the lack of education at home. The home environment may be lacking many a times in one way or the other. It could be motivation, it could be opportunities, it could be financial constraints, but it could be lacking in many a times. Children of school going age are often responsible for the care of the young ones. Where there are two or more siblings, the elder one is often asked to take care of the younger one when the parents go out. And when he is taking care of the young one, he doesn't have the chance to go to the school. तो जब बच्चे को स्कूल जाना चाहिए, what is he doing? He is taking care of the younger sibling. So if we have an institution where the younger children can go, the elder one can also have an opportunity to go to the school and have the education. Moreover, these schemes, they also provide intervention in nutrition and health as and when there is a requirement. For example, midday meals and many other nutritional schemes which are run by the government. Even in Anganwadis, the children get food. Now the children are exposed to various cultural markers, especially with the advent of internet. Every child has a great exposure to all the cultural markers, and here the parents and teachers also have little or very less control. You don't even know what the child is doing at the internet or the phone. It's just there at the tip of their fingers. So we need to develop and build the next generation for the future with love. We have to give them values, and it can be done only when we give them proper environment in their early childhood. So now we come over to the scope and the trainings which are required for any personnel who is interested in participating in early childhood care or making a career out of it. So what are training and the knowledge is required? Training and knowledge of first childhood and developmental changes. The challenges, it is very critical for the adult who choose early childhood programs as a career. So you need to have knowledge about childhood, the developmental changes in the children. Early child care professionals are responsible for the children which are not their own. So we just don't have to think कि ये सिर्फ उन्हीं के लिए फ़ायदा है जो अर्ली चाइल्डहुड केयर प्रोफेशनल्स हैं. इट इज़ यूज़फुल इवन फॉर द पेरेंट्स. पेरेंट्स भी बहुत बार अपने पेरेंट्स बच्चों को ऐसे दे डील विद देयर चिल्ड्रन कि उनको हर्ट होता है एंड दे डोंट इवन रियलाइज. If you compare your child with another child, the challenge or the pressure on your own child increases. So this training is important not only for the professionals, but it is very helpful even for the family members. The ECCE professionals, they should be committed to the children, their well-being and learning, and they should also be aware and knowledgeable about the needs of the children, the challenges which they have, and they should provide the opportunity for their growth and development. So all the opportunity should be given to the child to have a perfect and balanced development. Child development and the basic principles of care, ये जो subject है, this is very important if you have to go in for this field. So child development, human development, इस तरह के जो भी subjects हैं, ये एक ना एक सब्जेक्ट होना आपके पास ज़रूरी है. देन यू कैन हैव नर्सरी टीचर्स ट्रेनिंग, जिसको हम NTT भी कहते हैं. दिस इज़ वेरी यूजफुल इफ़ यू वांट टू वर्क इन अ नर्सरी स्कूल. देन यू हैव 1 year डिप्लोमा और ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी एजुकेशनल कोर्सेज इन द फील्ड. दीज आर करस्पॉन्डेंस कोर्सेज ऑल्सो, आफ्टर विच यू कैन वर्क एज अ early child care professional. Further, if you want to proceed with teaching or you want to go in for research, then you can have undergraduate degree in child development or human development या फिर child psychology, which is part of any course. तो इन subjects में you can go in for undergraduate programs. Then you can have after graduation programs, you can also have postdoctoral. Now, what are the skills which are very imperative or important in a person who is choosing this as a career? So the first and foremost thing is he should have an interest in children, their activities and their development. If you don't have any interest in the children, please don't go in for this field. Then knowledge and needs and of the capabilities of young children, they should also have the capacity and motivation for interacting with children. It's not that कि आप बच्चे से कुछ देर बात करो और बोर हो जाओ. तो ये मोटिवेट करने का जो फैक्टर है, दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट when you are working with very such young students. Skill for creative and interesting activities with the children. बहुत सारी आपको creative activities चाहिए. Just one and two are not enough because children, they can hardly concentrate on something for a large ड्यूरेशन ऑफ टाइम. तो उनका कॉन्सेंट्रेशन स्पैन कम होता है. सो यू हैव टू कीप ऑन चेंजिंग द एक्टिविटीज़. You should also have an interest in answering children's queries. We did that children are always ready with hundreds of questions: why, what, when. So you should have the ability to answer. Understand the individual differences. No two children are same. So you should have different strategies for different children and understand that all children are different. Then administrative and management skills: how to manage the children, how to manage the preschool, how to deal with the parents, how to have the records ready, how to maintain the records. All this is administrative and management skills. And the person should be very energetic because with the students, with young children, you have to be on your toes all the time, prepared for activities for a long time. Jitni bhi der bache rahenge, they'll be busy with all the activities and they have lots of energy, which has to be reflected in the person who is taking care of. Now the last thing is करियर. इसमें क्या कहाँ पे हम करियर बना सकते हैं. तो सबसे कॉमन है, यू कैन बी अ केयर गिवर इन अ डे केयर सेंटर्स एंड क्रेच. उसके अलावा you can be team members in number of programs which are running for young children. These programs could be governmental or NGO programs. You can plan, promote, campaign for the campaigns which are organized by the government or the NGOs. बहुत सारे plans चलते हैं, बहुत सारे promotional events होते हैं which are meant for the students. Then entrepreneur, you can turn into an entrepreneur and organize child-related activities, camps, edu picnics. Now, if you see in the schools, there are so many camps which are organized. The children are taking to schools, adventure activities, so that they can have many opportunities to learn. You can also go in for higher studies, research in the field. You can do doctoral. You can have your own consultancy for children. You can turn into a child psychologist, counselors for the children, or teachers in a nursery school or a crèche. These are the common career opportunities. इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारे हैं. आप अपना बहुत आराम से बच्चों को डील कर सकते हो, अपना प्ले सेंटर खोल सकते हो. उनकी काउंसलिंग तो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. यू कैन ऑल्सो ओपन हॉबी सेंटर्स वेयर यू ट्राई एंड interact with the students, teach them new things. And with this, we complete the topic, Chapter 7, Child Care Education. I hope you would have found it very interesting. Keep on learning, sharing, and also enjoy your learning. That's the best way to learn. Playway method is not just for the students. हम भी कभी कभी खेल के सीख सकते हैं. So if you like it, do tell me what are your views, give your suggestions, and thanks a lot for watching.